Exotic wall finishes, this is what we call detailing. This is detailing a corner. So the corner could be overly sanded or just little things here and there. So we just get very little. And this is still too much. We're talking about very, very little is what you need. Like this, just to fill in the gaps. You fill it in like that. These are sometimes it's so little that you're just gonna use your finger, basically. So like this is a very fine line. So there I just get very little on my finger. Just gonna finger it. So something so small, you don't have to do something so big that ruins the whole job. You know what I mean? You just gotta be very, very small about it. And it actually fixes the problem, believe it or not. Sometimes less is more. Very, very important. This is Marmorino KS, a matte Venetian plaster, guys. See, little dumb things like that, but it's important because underneath is white, so it shows through at nighttime or whatever it is. And then like little stupid things here. Here was how we call it, caulking, right? They did caulking, and then when they did the caulking, they dirtied everything out. So we cleaned it out with a sponge, and now we're just filling it all in. That's what we're doing. So you get very little on your spatula, and you just fill it all in like that.
I'm sorry. This living finish. Yeah.
Yeah, what do you got? Yes. Yeah, that's done. Yes, thank you. This will dry out a way for you not to get a white mark. I lightly burnish it with my finger. See, this is the best tool you have, your finger. But not really, these marmorino tools are.